Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this desk chair from Livarno home with a 3 years warranty, ergonomically shaped backrest and seat with a breathable mesh cover, adjustable seat height with adjustable backrest tilt mechanism for optimal posture, adjustable tilt tension with a breathable mesh cover, supportive armrest and comfortable upholstered seat, with a stable double casters and with a max weight capacity 110 kilos. And here we've gotten the dimensions. Well, nice all that, let's open to see what we have inside, assembly, and see how much comfortable it is when I'm sitting on my office. Wow, so many parts. All that was included at the box. One backrest, one seat, one 5-star base, one armrest right and one armrest left, one plate for adjusting up and down and back, 5 caster wheels, one gas spring and one gas spring cover with 3 parts. Nice. And 14 screws with an Allen key, 6 screws short and 8 screws long. And let's move on for assembly. Now I will start installing the plate at the seat. We need 4 short screws here. This is the front side with these 2 screw holes, and this is the back side with these 6 screw holes. I will only use 4 screw holes. If you want, you can use an Allen key. I will use my electric screwdriver. Okay, done. And now I will install the 2 armrests, the left and the right. It says here front. Okay, that means it goes this side. And I need 3 long screws for each armrest. Okay, there it is, front. And now we need to install, of course, and the other, the right, it goes here. And we need, of course, another 3 screws. Perfect. And next I will install the backrest. We need another 4 screws. The long screws are going at the back here. 2 long screws. And the short screws here. And the final screw tight, you can do it with an Allen key. Then next we need to install at the star base the wheels. Just press and it locks. Next, the gas spring goes here. And finally, the chair, you need to install here the gas spring. Okay, now let's sit at this desk chair. Oh, it's not so soft, the sitting area. I like that. I hope it will last long enough. The arm rest, it is very comfortable. You can adjust it. You have 3 centimeters at the screw area. You can adjust it further out or in. And of course, we've gotten the wheels. Nice. It's moving around. Yep. Okay. I think the wheels are working very well. 360 rotation, of course. You can just press that and it will go all the way up. This is the highest. I cannot have my legs on the floor. And you can adjust it. This is the lowest. Find the right position you want, adjust it. And of course you can just pull that, and it goes back. And I can say the backrest, it is very comfortable. Definitely this mess around is doing a good job. I like it. And of course you can adjust it only on 2 positions, in this position or at the back, not at the middle. Perfect. Well, I think for 50 euros, definitely you will feel very comfortable at your desk office, working, do whatever you want, maybe, and for gaming, yeah, why not? I think for 50 euros definitely is worth the money. It is a value of money, this desk chair. Yeah. I like it. We've got this chrome finish in both sides. And here. Well guys, that was all about this desk chair. As I said, it costs only 50 euros. If you need that kind of chair to your office or working, it is a great opportunity. Just buy it and feel comfortable when you are working. And with all guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know whom you need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.